deep dive into Foyr's pro services, the step-by-step journey from brief to stunning design. Welcome back. I'm Sarah from Foyr. In our last video, I promised to show you exactly how we helped a designer transform a complex, multi-room project under a seemingly impossible deadline. Today, I'll walk you through the entire process, step by step, so you can see how Foyr's professional design services can elevate your next big project. Meet Emma, an interior designer specializing in high-end residential projects. When a prestigious client approached her with a last-minute request to redesign their master bedroom, living room, and kitchen in just 3 weeks.
The project was exciting, but the timeline felt impossible. 3 major spaces, all needing 3D models, floor plans, and photorealistic renders in just 3 weeks. I was about to turn it down when I remembered Foyr.
Emma's challenge wasn't just the timeline, but the specific requirements. Multiple design variations for the living room layout, custom 3D models for unique furniture pieces, building code compliant floor plans, high-quality renders for client approval.
Normally, this would take 4 to 6 weeks. I had just 21 days.
Emma's first step was remarkably simple. She visited Foyr's Interior Design Services page, where she found flexible pricing plans tailored to her project size. Single space, $99 per space, best for individual projects. Multi-space, $499 for 6 spaces, best for small projects. Multi-project, $999 for 12 spaces, best for mid to large projects. Since she needed designs for 3 spaces, she chose the multi-space plan, giving her 6 spaces to use over 3 months, offering flexibility without hidden costs. After selecting her package, Emma filled out a quick form detailing her project needs, uploaded floor plans and inspiration boards, selected materials, finishes, and color palette, outlined specific furniture customizations. With everything in place, Emma's project was in motion. Within hours, the Foyr team reviewed her submission, clarified any missing details, and got straight to work. Within just 48 hours, Emma received detailed floor plans for all 3 spaces. She needed a slight layout adjustment in the kitchen and better storage options in the master bedroom, for which she submitted a quick revision requests. Our team turned these revisions around in just 24 hours, and because she had editable files, Emma could make small tweaks herself without delays. Next came the 3D modeling phase, where Foyr's expertise really shines.
The client wanted a custom coffee table that wasn't available anywhere. Foyr created it exactly to my specifications. They also modeled a unique lighting fixture for the dining area.
7 days before Emma's deadline, the 12K renders started coming in.
Each render was breathtaking. Perfect lighting, realistic textures, and attention to detail that made the spaces feel alive. The client could truly visualize living in the space.
Emma presented the complete package to her client 3 days ahead of schedule.
I've worked with many designers before, but I've never seen such realistic visualizations so quickly. It was the smoothest design experience ever.
The client approved the project on the spot and even increased my design fee by 20% due to the exceptional quality of work. I couldn't have done it without Foyr.
What made this success possible? 75% time savings on technical tasks, custom modeling at a fraction of traditional costs, 48-hour turnaround on revision requests, 100% client satisfaction.
Working with Foyr changed my business. I now take on 30% more projects while working fewer hours. I focus on design strategy and client relationships, while Foyr handles the visualization heavy lifting.
Foyr made Emma's project effortless. Now it's your turn. Click the link below to get started and transform your design workflow today. And next up, we're diving into another inspiring case study. What happens when space is limited, but the design vision is limitless? See how Foyr turned challenges into creative solutions in a stunning small apartment transformation. You won't want to miss this.